This video I'm going to show you how you can save, then publish your site and connect to a domain after you've already added all the content and made the changes to your site. So as you can see, we've already made all the changes. We added the menu bar, we've got all the different contents. Now we just have to save it. So to do that, you just go to the top right here, this disk, and click save, and then you're going to save all the pages that's part of this site is going to be saved, and we'll get a successful message right here. So once everything is saved, I'm going to exit the editor, and I'm going to go back to the dashboard right here. And as you can see, the name of my site is Fruit Site, but it's inactive. So we got to make, first thing, we got to make it active. So you want to go where it says more options, and we're going to publish the site right here and click OK to publish the site. Now once the site is published, you'll see that the link right here is going to turn blue, which means it's clickable, and the status is going to be active. So if I click the link, it's going to open up on a new tab, and the site now is live. So you can just share this link with anybody and they'll be able to access the site. Everything's working, the content is here, and if I click any of the navigation buttons right here, you'll see that everything is working. So the site is live, ready to be shared with the world. So let me exit this here, and we'll go back to the dashboard and connect a domain to this site. So the way to do this is very simple. You go to where it says more options, and we're going to connect domain. And now this information is very important. So every time you connect a new domain to the platform, you got to pay attention to the DNS information right here, because it may change from time to time as we expand our servers. So right now it's the ns1l.l4dns.com, but it may change at a later time. So make sure that you read through and get the right information before connecting a domain, okay? So the domain name that I'm going to use, I purchased through Namecheap, but it's the same process you go through for GoDaddy or any other domain services that you may have. So let's go to Namecheap right now. And once you access your dashboard, let's say you have Namecheap as the service that you've purchased the domain with, and you want to go to where it says domain list. It's very simple. Once you know which one, which domain you want to connect, then just go ahead and click manage, and it's going to open up a window right here. All right, it's opening up. A bit slow, but there you have it. So, and here it's the name servers. Okay, so this is the area that you want to change. So right now it says Namecheap Basic DNS. You want to click down and you want to select the custom DNS. And here's where you're going to add the name server. So let's go back there, and I'm going to copy this information right here and paste it. And then I'll come to the other one, copy and paste it right here. Once both of them are in, then I'm gonna hit the check mark to save it, and now it's saved, and the domain is going to go live in just a few minutes. Sometimes it may take hours. It says that it may take up to 48 hours depending on the propagation of the domain. Okay, so but that's how quick it is, especially if you already have a domain connected to our platform. If you want to connect a subdomain, it's fairly simple. So once it's connected right here, which we received the DNS server update message that says it's going to take, it can take up to 48 hours. We can come back to the platform and just go ahead and type in alexpayne.me, which is the name of the domain, and you're going to hit save. Okay, so now it's connected. We can go ahead and try to see if it's working and if it's live. Yeah, it's not live. I had the domain connected to a different page, and that's still not propagated correctly. But basically, in a few hours, this domain is going to be live with the new site that we created. It's just that simple. So I hope you like it. Let's go to the next video.